So here is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I have like basically 2-3 issues related to this camera. The issue is basically with the media mod. I have connected the media mod. So when I turn off the quick capture, it is currently on. So I'll off it. Okay. So this is basically off quick capture. I will switch off the camera. As you can see, it is off, no issues. When I press the shutter button, this button, it will turn on. Ideally it should not turn on the camera. Wait for like 2-3 seconds and then you can see this camera turns on. It will not record anything, but it will like turn on. And another issue is related to this only, that when the media mod is uh, installed to this camera, and this camera turns on automatically. Like it doesn't happen so much frequently, but it happens like, I don't know exactly, but it happens like 4-5 times. It will restart automatically in a day. So this is one thing that because of this, the battery of this camera drains in a day, like 15-20% it will drain once when the media mod is attached to this camera. So this camera turns on automatically like 4-5 times a day, and this is like draining the battery. Another issue is that when I'm charging this camera, as you can see, I have I'm using this GoPro charging cable and charging this camera. So you will see it will turn on. I don't know if it should turn on or not. It is turning on. You can see it is turning on, and again I'll off it. And if I press this shutter button, and you will see that it will turn on. So I don't know if it should be really turning on or not, but this is the issue with media mod. Without the media mod, this camera is working fine, no issues. And even I'll show you. So this is without the media mod, and I'll just press this. Okay, this just started. So without the media mod, I'm going to press this button because I have turned off the quick capture. It will not turn on. You can see this is not turning on because the quick capture is off. So by pressing this button, this is not turning on. But with this media mod, this is turning on. So this is the issue, and because of this only, I think this camera is turning on like 4-5 times a day.